Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can apply the AI filters on your photos on the Remini app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the Remini, and after clicking on the Remini, what we have to do, we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after that, now we need to choose the photo where we want to apply the AI filter. So simply we have to go to the AI filters. So now simply we have to choose the 90s enemy. I'm going to choose the 90s enemy, and then we have to choose the picture that we want to upload. Let's say I'm going to upload this one here. So we have to choose this. And after that, upload your selfie. We have to click on this, and now we need to and now we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after that, we will be able to see some results. So as you can see, here are the results. You can check it out. So these are the results, and if you want to change this, you can also do that. If you want to save it, you have to click on this, and the photo is saved into your gallery. If you want to create a new photo, you can also do that. Or if you want to change the filter on the same photo, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to do this one here. So now again, we have to wait for a few seconds, and this will be applied here. So let's wait for a few seconds and see the result. So as you can see, now it's done. So in this way, you can apply the filters, AI filters on your photos and your photo. So in this way, you can apply the AI filters on your photos on the Remini app. I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So see you in the next video.